This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about baking cups, specifically these Tulip and Daffodil paper baking cups. We have several sizes and a couple of colors to show you. In the 0.4 ounce, we have the Tulip cup in the sugar white, and this one measures 1.25 inches by 1.5 inches. In the 6 ounce size, we have the Daffodil style in both the brown and the white, and these measure 3.25 by 3. All of these cups are grease proof and they can really stand up to oil in batters and frostings while looking great. The Tulip liners feature that elegant 4-point design on them, so you got those nice little points on the top of that paper cup, while the Daffodil style feature a rounded top for a softer look. They're oven safe up to 425 degrees, and they're freezer safe as well. So if you're planning to bake ahead and save your product in the freezer, these are going to be a great one for you to consider since they're going to perform really well. The minis are perfect to use for tiny cupcakes, muffins, for serving up things like petit fours and truffles, and the large sizes are great for full-sized muffins and cupcakes. These are perfect for bakeries, cafes, patisseries, coffee shops, restaurants, hotels, caterers, or just for your own fun baking projects at home.